Duplicate subject layer and apply high pass around 3% and change blending mode to linear light. Now make another duplicate copy of subject layer and choose mixer brush with these settings. Now draw with mixer brush around skin. Please don't use mixer brush on edges. Decrease the opacity according to your taste. Now make another new layer between those two layers and choose soft round brush with lower flow around 1 to 2%. Now draw on darken areas to lighten them. Decrease the opacity according to your taste. Decrease the opacity according to your taste. Now this is the before, this is the after.